optimizing nitrogen management in summer MAJ using spectral models and UAV technologies throughout the crop life cycle. By Nana Ha, Baozhong Zheng, Waiyu Liu, Jigong Peng, Qingyun Zhu, and Zheng Wei. MAJ is one of the most widely planted crops worldwide, grown in over 170 countries. China is the second largest corn producer globally. Moreover, summer corn dominates the Huanghuai Plain in China. Global climate change and the spread of COVID-19 have caused widespread concerns about food security. The development of smart agriculture could contribute to food security. Moreover, the targeted and accurate management of crop nitrogen is a topic of concern in the field of smart agriculture. Unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) spectroscopy has demonstrated versatility in the rapid and non-destructive estimation of nitrogen in summer MAJ. Previous studies focused on the entire growth season or early stages of summer MAJ. However, systematic studies on the diagnosis of nitrogen that consider the entire life cycle are few. This study aimed to 1. Construct a practical diagnostic model of the nitrogen life cycle of summer MAJ based on ground hyperspectral data and UAV multispectral sensor data, and 2. Evaluate this model and express a change in the trend of nitrogen nutrient status at a spatiotemporal scale. Here, a comprehensive data set consisting of a time series of crop biomass, nitrogen concentration, hyperspectral reflectance, and UAV multispectral reflectance from field experiments conducted during the growing seasons of 2017 to 2019 with summer MAJ cultivars grown under 5 different nitrogen fertilization levels in Beijing, China, were considered. Field experiments were conducted in the China National Research Center of Water-Saving Irrigation Engineering Technology, Daxing District, Beijing. Hyperspectral reflectance was measured from 2017 to 2019 using the passive, non-imaging spectroradiometer, FieldSpec handheld 2. Multispectral reflectance was measured through a UAV equipped with a multispectral sensor in 2019. Multispectral data of the hyperspectral conversion from the first two experiments, 2017 and 2018, were used as the training set, while those from the third experiment, 2019, and the multispectral data set obtained by AUAV were, respectively, used for validating the new parameters validation data set. Using regression statistics, quantitative monitoring models were established to determine plant nitrogen content during various growth stages using a multispectral index. The results demonstrated that the entire life cycle of summer MAJ was divided into 4 stages, viz. V6, mean leaf area index, LAI, is equal to 0.67, V10, mean LAI is equal to 1.94, V12, mean LAI is equal to 3.61, and VTR6, mean LAI is equal to 3.94, respectively. Moreover, the multi-index synergy model demonstrated high accuracy, mean R2 is equal to 0.681, and good stability, mean RE is equal to 6.82%. The best spectral indexes of these 4 stages were GB-NDVI, TCARI, NRI, and MSAVI2, respectively. The thresholds of the spectral index of nitrogen sufficiency in the V6, V10, V12, VT, R1, R2, and R3, R6 stages were 0.83 to 0.44, 0.20 to 5.23, 0.42 to 0.35, 0.69 to 0.87, 0.60 to 0.75, 0.49 to 0.61, and 0.42 to 0.53, respectively. The simulated nitrogen concentration at the various growth stages of summer MAJ was consistent with the actual spatial distribution. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.